Most people say the answer to this question is 1, but they are wrong. Why? They solve it this way: 20 divided by 5 gives 4, then divided by 20 divided by 5 gives 4. And here the answer will be 1. This is wrong. That is not the correct way to solve it, because the question does not have any bracket. So whenever you see any question like this, you don't solve that way. Instead, you solve from left to right, since we have just one operation all through. So you solve from left to right. That means we have to first divide 20 by 5. Now let's solve it. 20 divided by 5, this gives 4. So we are left with 4 divided by 20, then divided by 5. Now we take it from left to right again. 4 divided by 20 we give 1 over 5, and we have divided by 5 again. Then we perform the last operation. So now we use the keep change flip rule to change this one to division. We keep 1 over 5 so that we have 1 over 5. Then we change division to multiplication. Then we flip this. 5 over 1 can be flipped to be 1 over 5. Now we multiply. So the final answer will be 1 over 25. So if you solve it any other way different from this way, then you will get the wrong answer.